So, I'm not the best roti folder. It fall apart. So I guess I'm gonna have to go in with my hands. I'm gonna go in with my hands. Safer that way, guys. I'm gonna burn up myself and stain up the place. Guys, you guys gotta try this. Octopus roti. If it has not been tried before, then I just invented a dish. My God.
Delicious.
Cola.
So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna cook something a little different. Today we're gonna make a roti, but we're not gonna cook a traditional roti like you know it. You know, in Grenada we have beef roti, we have the lamb roti, we have the chicken roti, you have the goat roti, and you have the shrimp roti. But today I'm gonna cook something that possibly have never done before. I am gonna cook a octopus roti. So I'm not gonna make a lot. It's just me and the family, again a family of 4, and I don't think a lot of people are going to eat, so I'm going to make octopus roti. So again, I don't think that's have ever been tried before. I don't know how it's going to turn out, so stay tuned and watch the process, and let's see what happens from here. So as you can see, I'm cutting it up really small. This octopus is kind of a chewy, so and I'm gonna curry that, put some potatoes in it. I'm gonna put it in my roti. So a lot of people don't eat octopus, but octopus is very healthy for you. Very, very healthy. So those of you who have maybe eaten the kong before, or the lambi, octopus doesn't taste any different to them. So I have a feeling this one is going to be good, guys. I have a feeling this one is going to be really good. So, all right. So here I have my octopus, and of course, I'm going to go in with I'm going to start seasoning it. I'm going to put curry in there because I do not like to burn my curry. Because when you burn your curry, you can make the house smells pretty bad. But very strong curry odor in your clothes, all the whole house and stuff. So I don't like to burn my curry. So I just like to put my curry in there and throw it in the pot, everything in the pot. And that way it has basically the exact same effect. Only this way it doesn't smell up the house. So now I'm gonna season up that. Yeah, get that nice and seasoned. Looking good already. Nice, very nice. You can also see it. Look at that beautiful color, nice golden color. Sea color. I have some baby potatoes that I'm gonna drop in there, because you cannot have roti without potatoes in it. So I'm just gonna go cut up some green seasoning, or vegetable seasoning, or you call it in your Caribbean, in your country. And I'm gonna throw that in the pot first with some oil. So go over to the pot. Just a little bit of oil in there for my vegetables, and let that get nice and hot. Here. Now let's add in our pepper. So, like I said, I don't like browning my curry because when you brown the curry, it smells, it make the house smells curry. Make your clothes, your hair, everything smells curry. So I don't like doing it like that. For those of you who has no problem walking the road smelling like a bag of curry, then that is totally up to you. But I don't like to brown the curry. I like to put the curry in there with the meat and everything and just drop it in the pot to have the same effect, the exact same effect. Actually, it smells good, guys. And the color looking good. See color. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. I have a feeling this is gonna be great, guys. This is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Awesome. Awesome. Very good, very good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it almost half cook, more to say. And I'm gonna put the potatoes in there. But looking good, guys. They're looking really good. And for flavor, I'm gonna drop a little bit of coconut cube in there, just for flavor. You feel me? See color. And now I'm gonna just check on the progress. You can see it's looking very nice. Colors is nice. Awesome. Awesome. Very good. Look more light in the pot. Can you imagine when I throw my potatoes in there? Looking good. So that's looking good so far. Now that I put the potatoes in there, looking really nice so far. So let's see how it is. I'm gonna let the potato mashed out a little bit. It's done. I said it was not a lot because my family, it's not the biggest family. Looking good. Go over there. All right, so as this is done, got my roti skin here. I'm gonna put it in there. And I'm not the best roti folder. I guess I'm doing it right. I guess I'm doing it right. Yes, I'm doing it right.
That's too much.
This one, it's just one. Yeah, I'm not doing it right. But
Caribbean. That's two.
I'm gonna try it.
Or you ready?
Okay, so now it's time to try. Octopus roti. Come.
Mark beans.
Wanna try it?
It's like mark beans now. Every day.
Wanna try it?
Just like mark beans.
Get a spoon. Doesn't come. Cause you don't have a.
So, I'm not the best roti folder. It fall apart. So I guess I'm gonna have to go in with my hands. I'm gonna go with my hands. Safer that way, guys. I'll burn up myself and stain up the place. Ah! Guys, you guys gotta try this. Octopus roti. If it has not been tried before, then I just invented a dish. My God. Hold on. Okay, I come up for a lick. You like it? Yeah.